This is a Mini Cooper Mark 1 Generation 1 head that has been machined by Thumper in Florida to a TPR2. TPR2 means enlarged valves, ported exhaust for intake port and exhaust port. The new valve seats, which are 5-angle seats, and new valves, hardened nitride valves, and then of course the surface was machined, the deck was machined. What I'm doing now is a test to see how well the seats match the valves, and I put in some acetone into the chamber, sealed chamber, as in sealed this way. I have test springs. Yeah, you can barely see them underneath. Test springs on the valves, and I have a leakage. It's the bottom line. I have a leakage on the exhaust side. I can put my finger up here and get a little bit of acetone out. Believe it to be on this, what I call number 7. Yeah, there it is, see? And it's this is 8, this is 7. Starting over here, this is number 1 cylinder, this is number 4, but I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on one exhaust, and the same on the intake. So that is a leakage around number 7. Now this is straight off the machine, and it's supposed to be precisely machined so that there shouldn't be any of that. I'm going to this is the first cylinder that I've tested with the springs on it. I'm going to go and do all 4 cylinders, the other 3, and see how they are, and then I'll probably wind up lapping them after I make some notes here. Again, this is a TPR, if you can see it. TPR2, okay? Mike Schultz did this. In addition, I'll probably may report at the end of this test, but in addition, Mike left number 4 exhaust port a 1/16 of an inch smaller than the other 3 in width, 0.0006. Never did figure out why. And he also left the valve guides with burrs in them. Now you can see that they have been ground down by myself so that they don't stick up there, and it's hard to see this way. I have still pictures, but the point is they were left at an angle from his porting on both the exhaust and the intake, so he put in the valve guides, then ported, and then left a sharp burr on the lagging edge, and I ground them down so that that sharp burr was gone, and it was actually, I could pick off the burrs with my fingernail. That's it. The person who performed the work, or at least the shop that performed the work, was Mike Schultz in Florida, called Thumper. Thumper heads. Bye.